election. Always a hot topic in India, right or no? Yes, honest, clever and most deserving candidate. Who won? Vote for chocolates, says yes to everyone. Arav will do anything, including bribe and lie to win. Hardik, judging fairly, believes in voting based on merit. Virat, the principal who guides the students with wisdom. Let's get up for scene 1. And here comes the big moment, the school election announcement. The battle for the top position begins. एक तरफ है वो जो मेहनत और लीडरशिप पे विश्वास रखता है और दूसरी तरफ ऐसा कैंडिडेट जो जीतने के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. So let's see what happens at the great school election. Scene 1. The election announcement begins.
Attention students.
Good morning, sir.
The election for the student leaders are here. Make your choices wisely.
I will lead with honesty. Vote for me if you want real change.
Chocolates? Who's giving me chocolates? मैं उनको वोट दूँगा.
I'll do whatever it takes to win. I'll make promise, give bribes, everything.
I am not easily impressed. I will vote for the ones who work hard and stay honest.
Nisha Dugar.
No friends, I am Nisha Dugar from class 8E. I am not promising it, but I will promise you real change with honest work. Vote for Misha, the voice of truth. Vote for Misha, the voice of truth. Vote for Misha, the voice of truth.
Hello everyone. I am Arav Dugar from class 8G. Vote for me. I'll give you chocolates. I'll make your life easy peasy. Vote for Arav. Vote for Arav.
Vote for Arav.
Truth. Enjoy treat. Vote for Arav. Vote for Arav. Vote for Arav.
Click, trophy. Where? Misha, Arav. Who's giving me what? Nisha's right. True leaders lead by example, not bribes.
Remember students, honesty and hard work are what make great leaders.
Scene 3. The voting day. Today is the big day, voting day. But the real question is, ये वोट सच्चाई के लिए होगा या सिर्फ चॉकलेट्स के लिए? Some students are voting responsibly, but some still are confused.
Not giving chocolates, but I will make sure to be a leader who serves you honesty. Vote for Misha, vote for Misha, vote for Misha.
Take this candy, vote for Arav. 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 Vote for Arav, vote for Arav, vote for Arav.
Chocolates? वोट के बाद क्या मिलेगा?
More chocolates.
Wow! I will vote based on what's right. True. Nisha is the right choice.
Remember students, bribes may win votes, but honesty wins hearts.
Alright, तो इस तरह से वोटिंग भी कंप्लीट हो चुकी है और अब है टाइम रिजल्ट्स का.
Any guesses? And the winner is Misha! It's what the true leadership is all about.
Thank you everyone. I promise to be honest and work hard for you.
Well, I tried to bribe, but honesty wins.
Don't worry Arav. Now you have learned your lesson. You can be the sports captain.
Thank you, Misha. You are a true leader.
Misha didn't get chocolates, but she gave us hope. She deserves to win. Leaders are led by examples. Leaders are not made by promises, but by action. Misha is the true leader.
Thank you everyone. I will make sure to be a leader who serves you honesty.
Bribes didn't work. Honesty wins. I have learned my lesson.
Next time, no chocolate. इस सच्चाई से वो दूंगा. our responsibility. Misha is the leader we need.
I am proud of you, Misha. You have earned this role through honesty and dedication. True leadership is earned through honesty, not through lies and lies.